The Bentonite clay is all over my head, and I look like a whole alien. Wait, real quick. Before we start, please press that like button because y'all know I'm gonna help y'all get the girls for the girls. Let's go!
Yeah, Keem. I'm bored up, Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. High as fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Getting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm bored up, Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. High as fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Getting in my brain, can you feel?
What's good, my guys? We back with another banger. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to get y'all curls for the girls. Gotta get those curls poppin'. You feel me? I know y'all feel me. Alright, so we starting off basically, you see my hair, you feel me? We got the braids popping, got the 2-strand braids from the previous video, looking real crusty or whatever. We about to turn these into some nice curls, so just follow what I do. Ooh, whip it, whip it. Ooh, ooh, okay. First thing you need is some bentonite clay powder. The bentonite clay, you can find this online, maybe eBay, I think Amazon. I'll probably leave a link in the description. Then you need some apple cider vinegar. This thing was mad heavy, son. I got the whole gallon. That thing heavy, boy. That thing heavy, boy. All right, I think that's pretty much all you need, man. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to get those curls, man. So here we go. We're gonna start making that mixture, man. We're gonna first start off with a plastic fork. You have to use something that's plastic. Please do not use any metal spoon or metal fork to do this. It does have negative effects on the bentonite clay. We're gonna add some bentonite clay. Don't worry if you spill something from me. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna add that in there too. Don't worry, because it's a pandemic. We definitely gonna get that in there. You don't need that much. You just need like maybe like a little bit, just around like that. Yeah, that's good enough for me. I mean, if you have long hair, like a lot of hair, you might need a little bit more, but you could just eyeball it out. Ain't no big deal, you know what I mean? Yeah, scrape that up, scrape that up. We in a pandemic. This is coronavirus. Coronavirus.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Okay? We ain't wasting no money, no monties. Alright, next thing we're gonna add the apple cider vinegar. See that? Apple cider vinegar. Any kind, it doesn't really matter. Don't gotta be the expensive kind, any type of quality. Could just be a regular apple cider vinegar. Add that in there. Mix it around. At first it's gonna be a little bit dry, so you gotta eyeball it out and add a little bit more apple cider vinegar as you need. So it can be like a creamy consistency. You want like a creamy consistency, like some butter, like some, I mean, it's not real creamy, you know what I mean? Like, just add something in there. Just keep mixing it around until you get that consistency. You need that consistency. How do you spell consistency? I don't even know, but you know what I'm trying to say. So now it's getting a little bit, coming together a little bit more. Got a little bit of hard pieces left. Just keep mixing it around. And now we're gonna add the secret ingredient. The secret, ooh, y'all missed it. I don't know if y'all seen that. Secret ingredient for me. This is an optional ingredient. You can add some like baking soda. I mean, this helps elongate your curls even more. So it's gonna help further the bentonite clay process. But if you don't have any baking soda around, you don't have to use it. It's just an optional thing that I do. That's just me personally, that I would like to add that to my mixture, but you don't have to do that. So it's just an optional thing. But it's a little extra, you feel me? A little extra, yeah. You know what I mean? Why not? So keep mixing it around, At the end, you're gonna want a consistency like this. Not too creamy, I mean, not too liquidy, but still not too hard and solid at the same time. Just nice and creamy, good enough to spread on your hair. Just like that, see? Just like that. That's perfect. And I went ahead and sectioned off my hair into 4 sections just so it could be easier for me. You can also do the same thing. I recommend sectioning off your hair. It makes sense. Just do that. Just do that. Okay, I know y'all see the curls. You feel me? I'm starting to put it in my hair. The curls is activating already. Like it ain't no take no time. It ain't no time. It ain't no thing. So put that in your hair and add some water too as you need to, just to help the bentonite clay, work a little bit faster or whatever. I'm gonna read some benefits of the bentonite clay to y'all. It gets rid of dandruff. It aids in hair growth, protects from infections. Bentonite clay also adds shine to the hair. It has moisturizing and conditioning properties. It defines your natural hair texture. So all around is just a great thing for you to do for your hair, not just for curls, but just overall, just for your hair health. And you can also use this on your scalp. It also cleanses the scalp as well. That's why you see me rubbing it into my scalp. So you can skip the shampoo process. You don't even have to shampoo your hair. Just usually use the bentonite clay process. Bentonite clay treatment, and you don't even gotta shampoo your hair. Honestly, because I didn't shampoo my hair after this. I just wash it out and then I deep condition. So this is basically what your hair gonna look like. I hope y'all can see the curls starting to form a little bit. Let me turn around and show y'all. It's kind of starting to come in. I think my hair needs a little bit more water for my curls to really pop or whatever, but it's gonna take some time for it to work. But yep, so I just applied the bentonite clay all over the rest of my head, and I put a plastic bag or a shower cap over my head, and I let that sit for like 30 minutes to an hour. And this is me here now taking it off. As you can see, the bentonite clay is all over my head, and I look like a whole alien. But yeah, now I'm gonna take my hair down so y'all can see what it looks like before I wash it out. I know y'all see the curls popping. I know y'all see the curls popping. And my hair in the front is a completely different texture than my hair in the back. That's why the hairs in the front of my head look more like straighter or like more looser than the curls in the back of my head. The curls in the back of my head are much more tight, way more tight than the curls in the front of my head. But yeah, just continue taking it down. That's the first side. Show you how the next side. And this whole process was it was easy. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty easy, but it's definitely messy. It's messy. So like you should wear a t-shirt that you don't care about. You feel me? And maybe if you want to, you can put some like, I don't know, newspaper down on the floor or whatever. But like some of it's gonna get on your sink, some of it's gonna get in your shower, some of it's gonna get on the floor. You feel me? Like I had to do like a full cleaning process after this. It's not that bad of cleaning, but like just be cognizant that it is messy. It gets messy. So this is what my hair looks like before washing it out. And boom! This is what it looked like when it after. Washed it out. Y'all see the curls. I know y'all see the curls, man. Come on, camera. Focus now. Focus. Focus. Oh, the camera trying to act dumb. But y'all can kind of see the curls, man. I know y'all see the curls. I know y'all see the curls.
Okay.
The back of my head, like, it's curly, but like it's kind of more hard to see because like my hair is more kinky in the back. The curls are much more tight. You feel me? And this is without any product. I didn't put no product. This is just me strictly just washing out the bentonite clay. Now imagine if, you feel me? Imagine what my hair would look like if I had some leave-in conditioner in, maybe some curling cream, added some gel. Forget about it. Forget about it. Because the curls would be bouncing off my damn head, man. Got the curls for the girls, man. We got them curls, you just feel good. Like you just feel like, damn, like no girl could talk to me, like no nigga could press me, like you know what I mean? Like I got them curls, man. Like the curls give you superpowers. Like the girl give me so many superpowers. I'm over here light skinned as hell in the mirror. Look at me. Look at me over here singing this shit.
Cause you're fucking ugly.
Got them light skinned superpowers. I'm feeling myself. I'm done. But yeah, man. That's basically what it is, man. You could get them curls too. You could get those curls too, man. So all you need is some Bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and that's it. That's it, buddy. That's it. You don't need nada más, mira. Gotta turn to some Spanish, you feel me? Because when you get them curls, you get, I got that tea, got that. It's like, nah, I play. But all right, yo, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Help your boy out, you feel me? Thank y'all for watching, and we out.